Hello YouTube, my name is Bernard McManus, and this is a piece of software I've been working on in my spare time, which I'm currently calling Boxland. It's really just to play around with OpenGL, which is always fun, and a database connection to some machine learning, as simple as it might be. And so this is written in Java, and the simulation is it's the insides of a box. The mobs inside have to stick to the sides, and there are immobiles that are the little green plants, and then there's two teams, red and blue, who eat each other and move around and eat plants. And if they go for 50 turns without eating, they starve and die. Or if they get moved into by another team or eaten by another team, they die. So the choices that the boxes come up against are actually saved in the database, and the best choice can be extracted from them based on a scoring system. Now, the only feedback I have right now is from dying, and it's pretty arbitrary because their vision is so bad they often don't see death coming, or they don't realize that they're hungry, so they just die. But the hive mind that controls each team can weigh their deaths and the moves that they made during their lifetimes as bad moves, as things that led to this abstract concept of dying, and they correct accordingly. And the data for the hive minds will get refreshed over time, but generally they build a table of values based on past experiences and indirectly what leads to food or what leads to defending themselves. So a lot of times they stand still, but that's it can be a better strategy. They have the first chance to attack somebody that moves into range, and as long as somebody moves into range every 50 ticks, they keep surviving, and they keep leaving that as a viable strategy. Or at least not as a negative strategy. And it really depends how much the other team is moving too. If the other team is standing still, it turns out that you shouldn't stand still. So it goes back and forth. I've refactored the code, the database, table structure, and all the logic there a couple times. I'm happy where it's at now, but I am daunted at making it more complicated, adding another dimension to what is essentially a one-dimensional choice right now is just daunting. I'm not sure where to go, but this is kind of why I got into databases in the first place, because I love the idea of this problem. So yeah, this is something I've wanted to do for a long time. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Have a good day.